Let's go to modeling, sculpting. So we have our friend here with a big head. What we want to do is to do some sculpting here. And you have some options to sculpt. You can use the vertex sculpting or the dynamic sculpting. So for the vertex sculpting, you will see you have your size here of your brush, and then you can change the size manually, like 0.05. You can manually use it to change like the vertices. You can have the smooth here, and you have the strength. If it's too strong, just change the strength, and you will be able like to add clay or something. For example, here a little bit, just eyebrows more prominent here. It's like testosterone run wild on this guy. And you can also change the brush type. You can use the move tool. So you want to change the nose, something like this. Or you can put a smile here. Change the depth of the face. And now you have a more cartoonish face of this sculpture. Another thing you can do is to use the pinch. You can, just like the name says, you will pinch the polygons so they can be tighter. And also you can smooth. If you hold shift, you will automatically go to the follow shape here to smooth, and then you can smooth some areas here. And once you click accept, the mesh will change and you will have your new mesh here. However, there are some limitations with the sculpting mode, and this is great for doing some small changes like this. But let's say you want to do some big changes. Let's say I want to move this one. Once I move this one, then if I check my polygons, I lose all my resolution. And this is where the dynamic sculpt comes into place. And this is very similar to Dynamesh in ZBrush. So if you want to do something like that, just go to Dynamic Mesh Sculpting, click on Move, and then you can do the same, but you will see that as I move along, you will be able to see the polygons here. Can change the size. Okay, and you can create something that can have any shape you want. You can increase the size of the hair, or you can increase the size of this one and move it here. Click accept. And now you have an ugly version of this dude. This is extremely useful, like if you want to modify some terrain or something. That helps a lot.
It's a happier version of that dude.
You think so? Could be. I think that's a matter of perspective. Is this sad? Yeah, this one is sad. Okay, so that's for the